Hello guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can install your e-commerce website. Yeah, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can install your e-commerce website. So we are going to be doing it step by step. So all you just have to do is for you to sit down, relax and watch. So let's get it started, guys. So for you to install any type of script, you want to build any type of website, you need to have your domain, and also you need to have what your hosting. You can use any hosting of your choice. So all you just have to do is for you to buy your domain and your hosting. After buying that, you can log in through your cPanel, and also you can log in through your hosting area. So after logging in, you are going to see something like this. So after logging in, the next thing you will love to do is to go straight to your file manager. Go straight to your file manager. Remember, I said I want to teach you on how you can install your e-commerce website, or rather build an e-commerce website. So I'm going to be teaching you the installation part so that you can see. So after going to your file manager, all you have to do is for you to come to upload, because now this upload is the script. You want to upload the script, so that is when you click on upload. So you take notes, you can use your subdomain or a main domain. Your subdomain can be your public underscore ht sorry your main domain can be your public underscore html. Yeah, while your subdomain is another is your subdomain is you adding, for example, now this ariacapital.com is my main domain, but because I'm using a subdomain, it's not tk.ariacapital. I get me. So if you are using your main domain, there's nothing is going to be here. It's just going to be public underscore html. I get me. So you click on it. So after clicking on it, you come here, you click on upload. So I think I would love to explain something to you guys so that you don't get confused. Now, if you click on your file manager, you are not going to see this menu folder. No, you are not going to see this menu folder. Just little things, your public underscore html, that is what you are going to see, except you create a subdomain by yourself. So after doing that, but I'm going to be using a subdomain for this tutorial. So this is my subdomain, so I'm going to be using this. You that is just buying many your hosting and domain, you will not see many folder like this. Just few things you are going to see. So either you click your public underscore html or your subdomain like this. So I just want you to follow it step by step. Now we want to upload our e-commerce script. So you come here, you click on upload, you click on select file. So you go to here, you have your script. So I think I have mine on my desktop. So I'll come here now, I'll click on it. So this is, you can see MartFury multipurpose Laravel eCommerce system. So this script is a very, let's install the script and see how it look like, guys. Let's install to see. So this is the script. So we are just going to wait for it patiently for it to be uploaded. Yeah, we are just going to wait for it patiently for it to be uploaded. So like I always said in most of my tutorial, I said that something like this, for us not to delay time, I would have said, okay, let's go and be creating our database. Are you getting me? But the way it is, I don't want it to be confusing. I don't know if you're understanding me. I don't want it to be confusing. So that is why I always love my upload to be done first. Then we know the next step to take. Are you getting me? We know the next step to take. So all we just have to do now is for us to be patient. Yeah, it's for us to be patient so that our script can be uploaded successfully. Then we'll take the next step. So let us give it some time, guys. Let us hold on for it to be uploaded. So please, let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's just be patient. So just remaining 80%. So let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient. Okay, it's going gradually, so let's just be patient with it. This is going. I believe it's because of the network, because I just changed the network, so it's fast now. Okay, guys, it's almost getting to 100. So let's just give it some few seconds. So move to the next step. Okay. So now it's almost 100. So now when it gets to 100, you are going to wait for it to show green. Yeah, this blue is going to change to green. Now you can see now it said complete. So now after that, all you just have to do is for you to come here. Now you click on go back to. So you are going to see your script. This is your script. So excuse me, guys, I'm going to rename this. I'm going to remove this. Yeah, I'm going to remove this one. Yeah, so I'll click on rename file. So now sorry, I think I made a mistake. So come here, clean this, say rename file. So it is done. So now after uploading your script, this is the script. So now we want to extract it. Now how can you extract it? You right click, then you click on extract. So we are extracting it into our subdomain, not our main domain. If you are using a main domain, you extract into your public underscore HTML. So I'll click now on extract files. So I'll come here now, I'll click on close, then I'll come here and click on reload. So now I'm going to see a folder. After extracting it, now we now see a folder here. So we are going to click inside that folder. After extracting it, you click on reloading, a folder is going to appear. So you click on that folder. So now after clicking on that folder, we haven't gotten our main files and folder. So now we are going to still come here again, right click. Now you see we have main.zip. So you come to this place, you right click. So you come to extract, you click on extract. So you come here now, backspace this. I'll backspace this. So to extract into my subdomain, then I'll click on extract files. So I'll just wait for it to load. So now you come here, you click on close. So you come here now, you click on refresh. So now you are going to see another folder again. Are you getting me, guys? You are going to see another folder after extracting that main zip inside this place. So now you come here again. Now we have gotten your main files and folder, which you can see, guys. These are your main files and folder. Can you see it, guys? So now what you love to do here now is for you to come here, click on select all, click on select all. So after clicking on select all, you come here, you click on move. So now I want to move it to my subdomain. So you clean this place. So make sure you clean it, then you click on move files. So now we have successfully moved our files and folder into our subdomain. Are you getting it, guys? So for you to know, you come here, let me do this, you see. So if it did not move or would not move it, we are going to see /may. The folder it is. So the place they are in. So now after doing that, the next step, the next thing we love to do is to download our SQL file. Yeah, that's what we love to do. Now for you to download your SQL file, you can come to this place, come to database. You are going to see this. So you click on it, you right click, then you click on download. Yeah, so it's done successfully. Or you can also come here, and download this. Yeah, you can also download it. So let us click on it. So now the next thing we love to do is to go and create our database. Yeah, it's for us to go and create our database. So let me go back to where we have our folders and files. So now what we want to do next to create our database, so you come here, you come to this place. For you to create your database, you come here, then you search for database wizard. So you can use any name to create your database. I'm going to come here and say theory. I'm going to use that. So I'll click on next step. So I'll come here again. I'll say theory. Like me, whenever I'm creating my database, I'm always careful. So I'm going to come here. No, you see, at the end of the day, my username is going to be ariakapi_theory. So now I'm going to copy this and use as my password so that everything will just be the same. I don't know if you are getting me. Everything will just be the same and it will align together. So I'll come here now and click on paste. So I'll click on create. You click on create user. Okay, say the user ariakapi cannot be created because it's already exists. Okay, sorry for that. So now let's go and create another database again. So let's go. So what I'll do now, I'll just search for another. Just come here, click on database wizard. So I'll say 45. Let's use that. Let's go with that. Okay, so I'll come here again, 45. So I'll come here now, I'll copy, I'll paste my password here. So I'll click on create user. So you see, created. So now we'll come here. Now make sure you click on all privileges. You click here, you scroll down, make sure you click on all privileges. So after clicking on it, you come here, you click on make changes. You click on make changes. So after doing that, make sure you copy this. Make sure you copy this. So I've copied it. Till now I want to show you something. So now you come to where you have your .env file. This is your .env file. So you come here, you click on edit. So this database we just created, I'm going to show you on how you can use it to connect it. So now you come here, you scroll down, you can see we have here, you can read it. So here it said DBO, if you use Laravel SEO, just change DBOs to DBOs MySQL, or on some hosting DBOs can be localhost instead of 1 to this. So now I'm going to change this to localhost. I'm just going to change it to localhost. So I'll change it. So for Laravel, that database we created, we are going to paste it here. For the DB username, you paste here. For the DB password, I'm going to so for a DB password, so come here, for password you paste. You can see everything are the same. Are you getting it, guys? So now for my app URL, for my URL, this is where we want to put our URL. This is it. Let me show you. So we come here, this is it. So I'll come here now, I'll copy this, so I'll come here now, I'll paste, then I'll add s to this, I'll add my s to this. So let me check. So now it says something, look, it says something here. It said disable debug mode by changing app debug equals false when site is ready for live. That is, well, if maybe for example you want to see if your website is live, so make sure you should change it to false. So now we are going to change it to false. Let's just change it to false for safety. So change it to false. So let me check again if there's any other thing we would love to do. So I think, but for this you say you should change this value to hide your domain URL. You use special example admin direct hello, then your admin URL will be this, but let's just leave it. So come here, click on save changes. So now the next thing we love to do is to import our SQL file, and for us to do that, for us to come here, you just have to come here, you right click, open link in new tab, it take you to this place. Then you come here, you search for php myadmin. So you search for it, so you click on it, so you come here, this was the database we created, this is it, com45. So you click on it, so you come here, you click on import. So after clicking on import, you come here, you click on choose file. So now I think I have mine here. So I'll come here, let's click on this, let's try this. So let's see, let's click on this. So come here, click on import, so let's just wait for it to be imported. For our SQL file, database.sql file to be imported, so we'll know the next step to take, guys. Let's just be patient with it, guys. So it's important. So we just have to be patient and wait. Okay, now we have our database SQL file imported successfully, which you can see here, guys. Which you can see, this is it guys. So this is it. So now what we love to do now is to see if our website is live. So I'm going to come here now. I'm going to copy this. I'll copy this now. I'll paste to see if my website is live. So I'll click on this. So let's see. Okay, sorry for that said internet connection. So okay, now it has worked. So now it said that what this is trying to say now is that this website or the script need PHP version of 8.2. Are you getting me? So now you don't have to panic yourself. We can let's go and change it to 8.2 version. So all you just have to do is for you to come here, you click on multi-PHP, you search for multi-PHP manager. So then you go to here, you have your domain and your subdomain. This is my main domain, these are my subdomain, and this is the subdomain I'm using. So you click on the domain or the subdomain you are using. So though it's showing 8.2 here, but you got to do it again, so it will be fresh. So I'll scroll down here, I'll come to 8.2, then I'll click on apply. Remember, you click the domain you are using, then you select the version. So now another thing again is for you to let me just show you this. You select your PHP version. Yeah, you select your PHP version. You say select PHP version. Sorry for this, guys, if the network is somehow. So let me. So you click on select PHP version. So let's wait for it to load, guys. So now you come here. There are some instances it's not going to be 8.2, it's going to be on 7.4. There are some cases, maybe there are some script you've done before, so make sure you change it to 8.2, then you click on apply here, then it is done. So now you can now come here now and click on refresh. So you click on refresh. So you can see, guys, you can see we now have our e-commerce website. You can see this is the front end of our website. This is the front end of our website. You can see how beautiful it is. Now what you are seeing is this. This you are not seeing anything here. You can make it, you can do the changes from the admin. Yeah, you can make the changes for the from the admin. You can put, what you just have to do is for you to put an image. Yeah, it's for you to put an image. Can you see? It's for you to put an image, then the image is going to be showing here. Can you see? This is the front end of it. What is required is what? An image, and which you can do by yourself. Anything a user do here, for example, he or she is going to have, you are going to see it from your admin. Are you getting me? So now let me show you the admin login. First of all, let me show you the admin login. Let me come here. I'll show you the admin login. So I'll click on this. So I'll say, okay, let me just come here and do another one again. I'll click on this. So I'll say slash admin. Let me use that slash admin. Okay, so now for you to be able to access your admin login, all you just have to do is for you to come to your PHP admin. You come to so now for you to be able to have access to log into your admin dashboard, this is what you have to do. So you have to search. Normally we are supposed to see admin, not admin notification, just admin. So there are some scripts. If you just click on the admin, you can you can do your settings there. But here we can't find our admin. Yeah, you can't find our admin. But this is what you will do. If you can't find your admin, all you just have to do is for you to search for users. You scroll down, you search for users. But here we can't find our users. So this is what you do. This was the database we created. So this is it. So now you just double click on this. You double click on it. So now you come here. So it's going to show you this. So now you scroll down here. You search for users. You search for users. So that is where you can see your admin logins. So you can see, if you come here now, click on users. So now you can see we have our user here. So now this is what you do. Now if you click on this place, you can't know the password of this. So now I'm going to show you on what you can do. Now you can come here, you can change this email, and you can change the password. Then you can go and log in. Are you getting it? So now this is what you do. You click on edit. So I'll say admin at winner.com. You can create an admin you can use. So for the password, I'll change the password here. So I'll say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now I'll come here, I'll click search for PHP hash function. So I'll click on it. So I'll come here now, I'll click on go. Are you getting me, guys? So now you can now come here now and say admin at, you can use whatever name you want to use to create your admin, at winner.com, admin at winner.com. So password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now you click on sign in. So it's going to take us straight to the admin dashboard, guys. This is our admin dashboard. You can see how it is. You can see how beautiful and nice it is, guys. This is our admin dashboard. I love this script. This script is should I use the word advanced? Yeah, I love this script. This is the admin dashboard. This is where you can you can see total product 54, order 0, review 522, customer 11. Are you getting me? This is where you can see the admin. So this is where you control everything. So this is how you can log into your admin dashboard. Please take note on how we have access to our admin dashboard. Take note of that. Are you getting me? So now I want to show you on how you can create an account. This is should I use the word front end? As you can see here, it's showing login and register. So this is the front end of it, as you can see. So I'll use this to register, so that you can create an account. So let's create an account. If you already have an account, all you just have to do is for you to log in. But we don't have an account, so this is what we do. We click on register. So I'll come here now. I'll use Fumi. Let me use that. Then email. Put your email. Fumi at gmail.com. Yeah. So you put your email there. So phone number, I'll use this phone number. So I'll just clean this. Okay. So let us use any phone number for tutorial purposes, but you put your correct phone number here. So you say password, I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll use that. So yeah, I'll say, so I'll put that as confirmation. So I'll come here now, click, I'm a customer, you can click it. So say the password doesn't match. Okay, I think we made a mistake. So let me see, let's do it again. Okay, so you click I'm a customer. So if you're a vendor, you click I'm a vendor. Yeah, if you're a customer, you click I'm a customer. If you're a vendor, you click I'm a vendor. So I'll go with I'm a customer. So I'll come here, click on agree to the terms and policy privacy. So you click on register. So we are registering. So now we've registered. So this is your user dashboard now as a user. Can you see this is your user dashboard? So you can see now you have your name here, Fumi. So you can log out. So if the admin have maybe put an images maybe on the items he is selling, you can see it here. Everything will be here. Are you getting me? Everything is going to be here. So this is it, guys. This is the user dashboard. This is user dashboard. So now this is the front end. Now the difference between the front end and the user dashboard is, you see the front end we have login, register, but if you have created an account, you are going to see your name here, Fumi, which you can come anytime, any day and buy whatever you want to buy or make an order. So now this is the admin dashboard where you can see everything. So let's come here now and refresh. Yes, now you can see now our customer is now 12. So now before it was 11. So when I created an account, it's now 12. So that is how it is. So any customer that creates an account, you are going to be seeing it here. Are you getting me, guys? So that is it for that. That is it for that. So you can see Paul registered an account. You can see this is it. You can see this is what you can activity log. This is what now Fumi created an account. If a user creates an account, you are going to be seeing it here. Are you getting me? If and me login, you are going to see it here. Whatever you do, whatever a user do, you are going to see it here. So this is, guy, I love this script so much. I love this script. So this is the e-commerce. This product, for example. If you come to product, let's click on product. This is where you can create your product. You can see we have Samsung Galaxy Board Pro. So you can come here now. Let me just show you guys some. So you can come here. If you come to view details, you click on view details, you can see everything here. So you can see publishes where you can see. So now if you come here, you can click on edit. Now this edit is, you can change this name. Can you say okay, it's not Samsung, I want here, you can change the name, whatever. Then permalink, you can put your permalink here. So that is it. So this here you can put the description. You can see this the description of it. So a lot, so you just have to go through it. You can see everything here. So you can see this is where you put images, technical specification. No, there are a lot on this script. This script is so nice. I love this script. You can see fees price, fees percent, whatever you want to do, guys, you can do it. You can make a lot of changes here. So after doing it, you can just come here and click on save. You can click on save. So you can click on save and exit depending on what you want. You can see, guys. So this is a very nice script, guys. This is a very nice script. So if you want to delete, you can delete. So let me come to this place again. Let me see something I want to show you, guys. So whatever you create, you are going to see it here. Yes, you are going to see it here. Whatever you create, you are going to see it here. So that is it. You can see we have some here. Can you see? So whatever you create, you are going to see it. So this is it, guys. So now another thing I would love to show you, you can see Icon Power Bank, GoPro. You can create you guys can create from scratch if you want to. So if you want to create from scratch, you can come here, click on create. You can click on physical or what digital, depending on you, depending on what you want to create. So you put the name here of the item here, put the description, everything. You can see it here. That's why I love this script so much. So you see, very easy to understand. Set up ng optimization. You put it here. So you put it here so that in case someone is maybe searching for phone to buy, your website can pop up and people can see it and make purchase. So this is the product prices. These are the product prices where you can you can put price. You can circle power bank. This is where you can set prices. Are you seeing it? You can set prices. So a lot here. If a lot here, all you just have to do is you can go through it. So now another thing I would love to take you to is to your settings. Yeah, let me take you to this place, very important. So you can come here. Let's say general. Let's just click on general. So yeah, you put general. Yeah, you put your admin email here. Yeah, put your admin email here. So you can come here, send it off via email, whatever you want, you can do it here. So whatever you do, after doing that, you click on save. You click on save. So let me go back. So let me come back, and so you can go through it. Email template, email media, admin appearance, language, cache, a lot. So let me come here and see. Now this store name, you can see we are having MartFury. So now I want to show you something, guys. If you should come here now, we have common, general. This is different from this. Yeah, it's different from this. So you come to e-commerce here. You can change the theme. If you want theme translation, you can do it. So you just come here, come to general, change your name. Now you can, you are seeing MartFury. So yeah, I'm going to put Buju. Let's just say Buju Enterprise. So I'm just going to show you the Buju Enterprise company name. Just say Buju. Let's use that. So phone number, store email, you do it here. Admin, notification, country, you put everything, tax, VAT. So all you have to do after doing that, you click on save setting. Let's just click that save setting. So now, so let's refresh and see. So now let's come here now, let's refresh. Okay, so now I just have to do is for you to change it. You put your store name here, company name here. So you put it here. This will appear you see your store name will appear in email, invoices, and throughout the site. So that is it. You just have to make changes. So after doing that, we've done this already. So just click on it. So now we come back to your dashboard. So now let me take you again to the settings so that you can come here is where you see product. You can come here, you see product. Whatever settings you want to do here, show number of product stock, whatever, racial images, and the main product, only racial image, depending on what you want. You have to go to the setting and do what you want. After doing it, you click on make changes. So you click on save changes. So that is it. So you can see That is how you can install your a lot e-commerce kit. If you should go through these places step by step, you see a lot. So I just want to teach on how you can install your e-commerce script. This script is very nice. It's very good for you to build your e-commerce website. If you want to build an e-commerce website, this script is very good and nice. So you can use this script. So it's very good and nice. So that is it, guys. That's this. If you come to pages, you're going to see different pages. Can you see? If you should come here now, these are the pages you are seeing. These are, sorry, let me scroll up again. So you can see these are all the pages you are seeing. So this is it. If you come here, this is it. So you can create your own page if you want to create. So that is it for this website, guys. So this is the front end. This is the user. You can see. You can log out if you want to log out. This is the admin dashboard where you have control over everything, guys. So that's how you can install your e-commerce website. I believe this tutorial help a lot, guys. I believe with this tutorial help a lot. Please, for more videos like, and sorry, another thing I would love to show you immediately. This is ads. Yeah, this ad setting. If maybe you want your e-commerce website to be showing an Google ad where you can get paid. Yeah, so that in case any any customer want to make a purchase, and whenever someone make a purchase, you can be making money from it. That is, any time they click into your website, ad is going to be displaying. Google ad is going to be displaying. This is it. Ad. You come to add. You can disable auto ad, unit ad. So this is where you can do the settings of it. So these are step-by-step guide on how you can go about it, so that any customer who want to patronize you ad can be showing here, and with that you can be making your own money. You see how cool it is. So this script is very nice. So all you just have to do is for you to make the settings, then Google monetize you. Then that is to say your website, apart from you making money from the sales, your website is still going to be making money through Google ad for you. So that is how you can do that. So you just have to come to ad and see how it is, make the settings. So that is it, guys. That is it. So I believe this tutorial help a lot, guys, on how you can install your e-commerce website. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share, so that other people want to learn to create an e-commerce website. They will also learn on how they can do it through this method. I believe this tutorial help you. Thank you, guys, for watching.